Yes, everything is fine. I'm sorry for the late. Actually, I have
I know.
basic network problem.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
So yeah, how does this work out and everything like that? That's what we're just trying to figure that out.
okay, 1 minute. কি নিয়ে কথা বলতে হবে ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের?
ভাই যে ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের হচ্ছে ওনার এসইও করাটাই একদম লো।
চ্যানেল কি একদম
আমি
নিউ
হোস্টটা
নাকি ভিডিও আছে অনেক কিছু?
না সাবস্ক্রাইব আছে অনেক, ভিডিও আছে অনেক, কিন্তু ওনার ভিডিওগুলো একটাও এসইও করা নাই, আবার হচ্ছে প্রমোশনও করতেছে না। এসইও করছে
হ্যাঁ,
আপনার ১০-১৫ এই আরকি। টাইটেল,
ভিউ গুলা কম
ডেসক্রিপশন,
তাই তো ভিউজ।
হ্যাঁ, ভিউ কম, হ্যাঁ,
ওকে,
এসইও স্কোর কম।
ওকে ডিয়ার,
আমি
অ্যাকর্ডিং
আপনাকে হোস্টটা দেই ভাই,
আচ্ছা
দিয়ে
অ্যাকর্ডিং
স্ক্রিনটা
টু
শেয়ার করে দিই।
ডিসকাস মাই ফ্রেন্ড, actually Sharmin Nahar is my friend. Okay, we work together in a team.
Okay.
Okay, according to discuss my friend, I understand that you have a great YouTube channel. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you have a great YouTube channel, and you have published a lots of video, but here lots of problem. Okay,
Yes.
optimization problem, YouTube SEO problem. Okay, you did not completely SEO your video, so that you did not get a lots of view, lots of
No.
subscriber. Yes, and
Yeah, I need more.
you did not promote your video various other social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Reddit, Tumblr. Okay,
See, I did, but I don't think I did it right.
the right way. Okay,
Okay.
and when my friend is an expert, SEO expert, uh, when he complete the SEO, then your video ranked Google and YouTube. Okay, when anyone search on YouTube and anyone search on Google related to your video, related to your keywords, then they see your video top. Okay, YouTube show your video top, then
Yes,
you
that's what I want.
get a lots of views, lots of subscriber, YouTube like, comment, a lots of. Okay, that's an organic process.
Okay.
And we have a team, we have agency. If you allow me, can I share my screen? I want to our agency channel and our previous
Okay.
buyer live work like project, live project. Okay, can you see my screen clearly?
It's loading.
Oh,
There you go.
okay. Our agency channel name is Outsourcing Institute, Outsourcing BD Institute. Okay, we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh.
Okay.
We work lots of service. We provide lots of service like Facebook, YouTube, business base create, website SEO, website development. Okay, I mean digital marketing, all services. If you want, my friend send you the channel link and my friend send you the website link. Okay, uh, here you see we have a lots
All
of
right.
live buyer project. That's the YouTube promotion buyer project. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
here another Facebook ads campaign buyer project. Okay, USA, UK, Canada, Australia. We worked many others client. Here a LinkedIn project. Can you see it? The LinkedIn buyer live project, live interview. Okay,
Yeah.
we work many other clients. We promote their YouTube channel, we promote their Facebook page, we promote their website. Okay, and they all are fully satisfied with our work.
Okay.
Yes, and that's the full organic process. Now if you have any question, you can ask us, no problem.
Okay. So, are you saying that you guys do all of it? So You guys do the promotion part of it too, and the SEO scores.
Yes. Actually, at first
And then
he do on page SEO, off page SEO, your each and every video. Okay, and when it's complete, then he promote the video many other social media sites. Okay. Actually, SEO help to rank your video Google and YouTube, and promotion help to get a lots of views, like, comment, subscriber outside audience.
and this is real. These are real people, right? Not bots or
Yes,
nothing like that.
100% real people to according to your location, targeted location.
Okay. And then like, cause I do a lot of live streams more than videos. So, would that help with getting a number of people to my live stream as well?
Again, please.
I said, cause I do a lot of live stream
Yes, live
content,
stream.
long form. So will that help get more people to my live stream as well?
Yes, of course. Here are lots of way. Okay, we know many other hidden tips and tricks about the work.
Mm-hmm. Now, how much is this program?
ওকে 1 মিনিট টাকা সম্পর্কে কোন কথা বলছিলেন?
না, কোনো কথা নেই। আমি জাস্ট ওনাকে মেসেজ আর আমার পোর্টফোলিও দিছিলাম আর ওনার এসইও গুলা দেখাই দিছিলাম
তাহলে এখন কি
মার্ক
বলবো?
করে।
উইকলি বেসিস
তারপর
ধরি নাকি?
ওকলি ভার্সাস বলেন, যদি না মানে একটু কম করে বলেন, ভাইয়া কাজ কম পাচ্ছি।
পার ভিডিও
যেন
$10
কাজটা
তো
করি।
ধরাই লাগে, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ, ওইভাবে ধরেন, হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা।
$10।
Okay, dear. Actually, we worked weekly basis. Okay, we worked weekly basis, and our cost depend on your work. Can you tell me how much video will you publish in a week?
Well, I need to publish more. It says I probably about at least I try to do at least
Okay, I told you.
every
The
other
cost.
day. So you say 4 days. That's
Oh,
4 days a week probably
okay, 4 days.
on average.
Yes, okay, average. The cost is very low for you. Actually, you are the new client and you are a great person. So your cost only $10 per video. SEO,
Tinder to
on-page
DOS.
SEO, off-page SEO, and promotion, social media promotion. Okay, the three work only for $10 per video, every video. Okay.
Every video, so it'll be $40 a week. Is there a way to do it where it's like I don't have to worry about sending the video or giving the video link? I could just go pay like a monthly fee
Wait.
or something like that.
Actually, at first you upload the video on your channel. Okay, upload the video and just put it private, don't publish it. Okay, and then my friend optimize the title, description, and added here ranked tag, high volume ranked tag. Okay, and when it's complete, then my friend publish it.
But I go live.
Oh, okay.
So
If
it's
you
not
go to
free.
live, then
It's
you
not.
just send
It's not
a video link.
when we make it. When I make it, send a video link to it.
Yes,
Okay, and then you got to do that before we go live.
per week.
Huh? That what you're saying?
Per week, $40.
Yeah, $40 per week.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm saying.
for video, $40
Yeah,
every week.
yeah,
Right?
right.
Yes.
So I'm saying though. So say my video starts. You know, I throw it up late, so it starts tonight at like 8 o'clock. Could I just send you the link? You guys get started on it before we go live.
Yes, it's okay. We can do it.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah, that sounds like a good plan, man. If it really works, is there a way? Like, do you have any American, people like for football or anything that you guys work with already?
Yes, the all worldwide. Okay, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany. We have lots of clients.
And in terms of targeting, are you guys just picking the area that shows the most? Like
Yes.
I do the Eagles, so are you guys going to Philadelphia and like target that area?
Yes.
And then because I know there's a couple.
You just told
Okay,
my friend to your targeted location. Then my friend promoted to according to your targeted location. Okay.
Okay. So I just got to go into the settings and put my targeted locations.
Yes.
Or okay. All right.
After
Well,
the
yeah.
meeting, my friend knocked you, okay, and he explained you more details about it, okay, if you want.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'll try. I want to try it out and see how it works. Um, and then so I guess we do the $10 per video. Starting. Well, I get paid tomorrow, so I'll probably start it tomorrow. To what can you promote? What do you can you promote older videos and get them more attraction?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So then I'll probably shoot you my last couple of ones and see how it works on those three. And then I have a new one probably tomorrow too. So I'll probably pay the $40 for, 3 videos and see how it works and see how the system goes. And if it goes good, I probably want to get to a point where we can do either every 2 weeks or every month payments so I can pay it all at one time instead of having to worry about individual videos.
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Well, sounds good. Like I said, I get paid tomorrow, so I can get that started tomorrow. So how does it work from here? What's the next step?
The next step is you just told me when we start the work.
When is how do you guys get the payment?
PayPal, Payoneer, Wise.
Okay. So I'll say if you guys can call me back tomorrow at like the same time pretty much, I'll have my check and I can go ahead and we can set up the payment plan and I'll go ahead and pay for probably 4 videos and I'll let you guys get started on those and see how that works out. And just so I can see what kind of
Okay.
I just want to make sure it's real before I start diving deep into it because I deal with a lot of people say they do the video promotion. I've had some that like they're like, oh, I can get you real people and views and stuff, and it's really like not really helping my channel because they don't do it the right way.
Yes, did not work right way. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah,
And
you
my
guys
friend
just
is
give me
professional.
okay. Well, you guys give me a PayPal. Send my email a PayPal link for 4 videos, and then
$40.
tomorrow, yeah, $40, and then tomorrow I'll when I get my check, I'll pay it, and then I'll send you the video links and stuff like
Okay.
that. We can get it
Okay.
started.
Okay. After finishing the meeting, my friend send you.
Okay.
Okay. Great.
Thank you, buddy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very
All
much.
right.
And thanks for joining with us. Thanks for your valuable time. Take care.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.